Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the oven rack in your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because the oven rack is old and dirty, or because it's missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this repair, we'll be using a Whirlpool stove. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So what we're going to do to get to our oven rack is open the oven door. And you can see in here we've got two oven racks. So this oven rack right here is a bit offset. We don't sell this model anymore. So what you can do if you need to replace this one is the other one that we're going to show you how to replace will fit in any of the racks, just like this one will. And we'll show you in just a second. So I'll set this off to the side here. Now for our second oven rack. This is the oven rack that you can order if your other one is damaged or missing, or if this one's damaged or missing as a replacement. There we go. Just like that. So you don't need to order the other one, especially since it's not made anymore. You can order this one as a replacement for it. So if you do need another oven rack, grab your new OEM replacement rack. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And just slide it in wherever you feel comfortable. And we'll put our other one back in on top. And before I close the oven door, I'll give you another corny joke. So what does bread do after it's done baking? Just loafs around. Now we'll close our oven door up. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.